Good morning, everyone. Good
Good
morning,
morning,
students.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. Okay, so I want to present my screen and revise the topic which as you all know, that we have already started the chapter number 5, the way the world look, in which we have learned about the different views of the objects, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we revise which are the different views of the object?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can
you,
I tell?
ma'am, the top view, bottom
Ma'am,
view,
top
side
view,
view, and the
bottom
front
view,
view.
side view, and front view.
Excellent. Top view, side view, bottom view,
Front
and
view.
front view. Okay, so that first we revise with one story. They are friends, they are sharing. Wait, let me present. Is this visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I'm going to mute myself. No one will speak in between. Just listen it and then I'll explain you.
Ma'am, you can zoom it.
Hello, Vandana. Hello, Neha. Look, Neha, what my papa got for me. What has he got? This looks like a pink colored box. Look carefully, Neha. This is not a pink colored box, but a yellow colored clock. How can this be a clock? It has no hands at all. This is a pink colored box only. No, Neha, look carefully.
Wait, Neha and Vandana.
Children, can you tell me why she is able to see only the pink color? Yes, Varija?
Ma'am,
Because
because she
she's
sees
from
from top.
I'm asking only from Varija.
because the weight is kept. That's why she can see only the pink part.
And she is looking from which view?
Top view, ma'am.
Yes, if she is looking from the top view, so she can only see the top
See the
part.
top view of the box.
Yes, top view, and which is pink color. So she is, that's why saying that this is not a clock. Now listen it again.
I understand why you are getting confused. I will help you. Vandana, you go to Neha's position, and Neha, you come to Vandana's position.
Okay. Wow, this clock is very beautiful.
Oh, good. You can see the clock now. Vandana, now you tell me, how does the clock appear to you?
I cannot see the clock. Instead of a clock, I can see a pink colored box. This means the clock appears to you the same way it appeared to me, like a pink colored box. Yes, and you can see the clock, like I was able to see from here. How is this happening? Papa,
Ma'am,
please
my
explain.
rest was this
Okay.
only.
Vandana, you also
Yes,
come
ma'am.
here. Then I'll explain. We live in a 3D world. All the objects around
Now
us are
check.
3D.
Now
What is
okay.
the meaning of
Yes, ma'am.
3D?
The meaning of 3D is three-dimensional.
I'm still not clear, Uncle.
This means that every object has three dimensions. Those are width, height, and depth.
Yes, we had learned this while learning about bricks. To measure bricks, we use 3 dimensions.
Yes, and because of these three dimensions, an object appears to be having different shapes when viewed from different sides. For example, when you look from the top, the clock looked like a rectangle. But when you saw from the front, you could see a clock.
Now I have understood a little.
Let me explain this to you with another example. See, I have a toy that is in the shape of a staircase. I will place this staircase on the table here. Now we will make a picture of it.
That will be fun. Let's start.
We will, but wait for a while. We will make this picture from different angles. I will make it from here. I can see this side. Vandana, you make it from here because you can see it from the front. And Neha, you make it from upstairs because you will then be able to see it from the top.
Okay.
I have completed the drawing from my side.
Even mine is complete. Even I have completed it.
See, the three of us have made a picture of the same staircase, seeing it from different sides. That's why each of our drawings look different.
Now I have understood what is three dimension. And that when you look at them from different sides, their shapes appear different.
Yes, but do you know that to draw the shape of 3D or three-dimensional objects accurately, the drawing is made from three different sides, like the way we drew this staircase.
But what is this three-sided drawing called?
One is called the top view, which tells us how an object will look if seen from the top.
This means my drawing is a top view of the staircase, which is a brown colored rectangle, right?
Yes, Neha. In addition to the top view, there's another view, which is called the side view. In that, the object is drawn by looking at it from the right side.
So does this mean that the drawing you have made is a side view of the staircase, as you made the staircase seeing it from the right side of it?
Yes, you are right, Vandana.
I drew the staircase from the front. Uncle, which view would it be called?
Vandana, this will be called the front view.
That means when an object is seen from the front, then its front view will be visible.
Yes, and that's why Vandana's drawing appears to be different from our drawings.
Yes, this is a colorful rectangle.
So, did you understand? This is the front view of the staircase. This is the side view, and this is the top view. What did you understand?
Now I have fully understood that all objects are three-dimensional. The three dimensions are width, height, and depth. Because of this, objects appear to be of different shapes when viewed from different sides. To understand the exact shape of an object, one must look at it from three sides, from the top, front, and from the right side. While looking at an object from the top, then the top view of the object appears. The front view of the object is visible when viewed from the front. And the side view of an object appears when viewed from the right side.
Very well said, children. Now you both play and I'll do my work.
Okay, Papa. We will go and play and we'll tell everyone about 3D in school tomorrow.
So I hope you understood that we have done the revision also now, the different views of the object. Yes? Yes, students, all top view, front view. For example, if I am showing you this, those who are looking from here, they are looking which view of this?
Ma'am, front view.
Front view.
And if I am here and I'm
Excuse me, top view. Top view. Ma'am.
yes,
Side view.
Side view.
no, back. This is
Back view.
Back view.
and this is
Side view.
Bottom view.
Camera view.
yes. Kiana wants to tell me something, so mute yourself, everyone. Yes, Kiana.
Ma'am, can I rejoin because of network issue?
Yes, please rejoin. Okay. Let me take, yes. We have done the revision of the all the views, different views. Kavisha, I think you're facing network issues, so better you leave and join again. Okay, so we have done the revision of recap of the different views. Okay, now we go to the directions, and before doing the directions, children, as you all stand up, I'm going to play one video. You all have to dance according to it. Okay, stand up at your place. No, remove the chair side and then stand. Are you all able to see my screen? It's a right
ma'am.
left boogie woogie song, so all have to do the actions along with it.
Right hand in, right hand in. You put your right hand in, you put your right hand down, you put your right hand in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand down, you put your left hand in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie.
Children, this song is about to understand you. You need to understand about your left and the right. So please carefully, if they are saying right hand, so put your right hand up. Then if they are saying left hand, put left hand. So they are introducing you about your left and right side. Okay. Then yes, please.
Ma'am, in my hand there is some fracture like that.
Okay, then no problem. Then you can just listen. Okay. You can sit and do put right hand up like this and the left hand like this. Okay. So this song is giving you an introduction or a knowledge about left and the right. So please do follow the instructions.
Boogie and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, you put your whole self in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your right hand in, you put your right hand down, you put your right hand in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand down, you put your left hand in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie boogie woogie and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about. You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, you put your whole self in and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie and turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about.
So I hope students you all have enjoyed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. A lot.
Yes. So what was it about? Is it about?
Left
Right and left.
and
Yes.
Left and right.
They were introducing you about the left and the right. So can everyone put your right hand up? Your right hand up. Put your left hand. Put your left hand up now. My right hand is this.
Yes.
You put your right hand up,
Yes.
which is your right hand. Now put it down. Your left hand up. So children, with right, left, we will learn about the directions in this. If I tell you, yes, Priya, can you stand? You have enough space to show us the demonstration if I say. Yes, Priya, now if you are coming from the front, if you are coming from front, and if I give you, Kavisha, mute your mic, please. And I am giving you directions that sometime when you go somewhere and they give direction, come straight from the circle, take right side. Yes or no? They give you directions. So now I will give Priyak some directions. Priyak, turn towards your left. Turn towards your left. Then again left. Then go straight. Go straight. From your left, okay. This much only you turn, yes. Now turn right.
Yes. Only
This way, yeah, come. Okay, no problem. This way you need to follow the directions if you go somewhere, and you will learn about the directions. If somebody give you address that this is my address, how you have to follow, then you have to follow about the directions. Now I am going to show you something about the directions also.
Pa, we will go and play, and we'll tell everyone about 3D in school tomorrow. Why not make it from different display? This
Ma'am, you can volume, please.
From different sides.
side view, which is a rectangle.
Different views of 3D objects. Part 3. Today we will learn
The second view.
Children,
Let's go to Madam
o'clock at my home. Introduction to Maps, Part 1. Today we will learn what is a map and what is its use, and what is the use of map with written instructions. So children, let us end today's class here.
Wish you a very happy birthday to you, madam.
Thank you very much for your wishes. You all are invited for the birthday party at 6 o'clock at my home.
Madam, we will definitely come, but we don't know the route to your home.
Oh yes, I forgot to tell you that. Okay children, you all please open your notebooks and I will give you the directions to reach my home.
Okay, madam.
Go straight from as you exit from our school gate. Then take a second right. After that, turn left and go straight. You will see a hospital. Take right from the hospital and go straight until you see a sweet shop. My home is right in front of it. Now I am leaving. Be there at 6 o'clock. Okay, children?
Let's go to Madam's home. It will be a lot of fun at the party.
Let's go. I'm also very excited.
Look, Neha, there is a circle on this road and there is a turn towards the right side. We have to go this way. Hurry up before we get late.
Oh, Neha, there is no road ahead. What to do now?
Oh no, I think we have taken the wrong way. We have made a mistake, Vandana. We should follow the directions given by Madam. Look, Madam told us to take the second right turn. But we have taken the first right turn. Come, let's go back. Do you remember? We have seen this circle. We took a right from here. That was our mistake. Now, this left road will take us back to the school. Therefore, we should take a right from here.
Look, there is another road going towards right.
This is the second right turn. We should take this way. Yes, now we are on the correct route. Let's take a right turn from here. Oh, Vandana, where are you going? We should check with the directions given by Madam. Look, there is a garden over there and a road to the right and left.
Oh, yes. Then which road should we take? Madam has not mentioned anything about a garden. I am not able to figure out this.
Okay, let us do one thing. Let's make a drawing according to the directions given by Madam. This is our school. This road is in front of our school. This is the circle where we took a wrong turn towards the right. The second right turn was the correct one. After that, we took this road. Now we are at this point. Madam said that after taking the second right, we need to take a left turn. Then we will see a hospital. And from there, we have to take a right turn. Going straight along the road, we will see a sweet shop. Madam's home is in front of that shop.
Yes, now I got it. Let's go.
Look, there is a hospital. According to this drawing, we should take a right turn.
See, the sweet shop is there. Madam's house must be in front of the shop. Look, Madam is standing there. Come on, Neha and Vandana. I was waiting for you both. Did you face any difficulty to reach here?
We faced some difficulty in the beginning because we took a wrong turn. But then Neha made a drawing according to your directions. With the help of this, we reached your home easily.
Neha, show me what you have made. Oh, great, Neha. You have made a map that leads to my home.
Madam, what is a map?
Don't worry, Neha. I will explain. If a place is represented with the help of lines, then it is called a map. A map helps us to go from one place to another very easily.
Just like the way Neha's map helped us reach your home, ma'am.
Yes, exactly. But a map also helps to know what is situated where. Like by looking at the map, you can easily tell the location of the park.
Then map is very useful for us. Where is the map used, madam?
A map is used for so many purposes. For example, in a big park, a museum, a shopping mall, etc. Every city has a map which helps the tourists to go from one place to another. Maps are not only for cities but also for every state, country, and even the world in which oceans, mountains, and rivers are marked. If we talk about maps, it will take hours. But right now, let us enjoy the party. And we will talk about it some other day.
Okay, madam.
Today we have learned about instructions related to directions are very important. If we don't follow the right directions, then it will be difficult for us to reach from one place to another. Directions related to a place could either be written or drawn on maps. Map is a drawing made with the help of lines which makes it easy to reach different places.
So, you students, you have understood about the directions. And when you are learning about the directions, you either write or either you draw. Yes or no? And when we are drawing any directions, it called as what? Map. Good. So whenever someone in your relatives also give you some address and which the place is new for you, so what you have to follow? Arnav, sit properly. What you have to follow?
Ma'am, map.
Follow
We
the
have to follow the
directions.
map.
Yes, you have to follow the directions which is given to you. How to go left, how to go right, which right you have to take, which left you have to take. Yes or no? Yes. Now open your textbook. We will do some textbook exercises.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Varina.
Ma'am, either we go somewhere like in other states or other country or other city, then we follow the Google map. My
Yes.
dad always opens the Google map.
Yes. And whichever the new place is for you, so you need the directions for that how to follow that and how to go. If you don't follow it in a proper way, then what happen? You will not able to reach that place. Yes. Now open your textbook, the page number 52. We are going to do the textbook exercises now. Please, someone mic is on. Mute your mic. I'm going to start the chapter. Am I audible to you all students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
ma'am. You're clearly audible.
Thank you. Gappu's air journey. Gappu was a brave little mouse. Whose name is Gappu? Gappu was a
Mouse.
mouse.
Brave little mouse.
Yes. Now see what he is doing. One day he saw children playing with a huge gas balloon. The balloon went up and touched the roof. Gappu was thrilled. He got an idea. Next day, when the children went to school, children, my voice is cracking.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, please check your network issue, beta. Next day, when the children went to school, Gappu climbed up the string of the balloon. You can see in the picture also how he climbed up on the string of the balloon. Yes or no, students? Can you see
Yes, ma'am.
the picture given in your textbook? Yes.
Yes.
So Gappu climbed up the string of the balloon. He could see the blades of the fan from above. Now, children, have you imagined? आपने नीचे से तो हमेशा fan देखा है. देखा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you all see your fan? And tell me what color it is, how many blades the color is the fan is having, how many blades?
Three color is white.
Very good.
Brown.
And how it is
And
looking
brown.
neat or it's looking neat or dirty? It's looking clean or dirty? Clean or dirty? Clean. But have you ever imagined if anyone look from upside, sometime वो ऊपर से साफ नहीं हो पाता है ना? ब्लेड्स नीचे से तो हम काफी बार साफ कर लेते हैं, क्लीन लगते हैं, बट व्हाट इफ वो नीचे से तो बहुत सुंदर साफ क्लीन लगता है, पर समटाइम्स उसकी ऊपर की डर्ट नहीं हटा सकते हैं हम कभी कभी, तो क्या हैव यू इमेजिन वो ऊपर से कैसा लगता होगा?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
थोड़ा सा डर्टी, राइट?
Yes, ma'am. Always clean upper part.
Very good. If she is cleaning. Now see here, again I'm going to present it. Now he could see the blades of the fan from above. Oh, there is so much dirt on these blades. From below they look so clean. Then what happened? Draw how the fan looks from the below. So this you will do after the class, not now.
Renu, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have cough and cold and fever. So you can send the recording.
You please send me mail. I will send you recording. Okay. Draw how the fan looks from below. So you will draw near the space given here after the class. Draw the fan. Gappu looked down. He could see the bed, the chair, one table with books on it, and the other table with the bottle, a jug, fruits, etc. Look for these things in the photo. You can see here the table is there, the another table, chair is there, the fruits are kept here, one chair, another one, and some jug and some things are kept here. That stupid Chinky is looking for cheese. Can't even see it. It is kept on the top of the jug. Now, can you children wait? Let me start next page. It's written here. When I ran around, can you think why Gappu could see the cheese on the jug but Chinky cannot? Can you imagine and tell me, students?
Ma'am, because it is too small.
Laisha will tell me.
From different views.
Laisha will tell me. Laisha, why Chinky can see?
Because it is too small.
No. Yes, why Chinky cannot see? Why mouse Gappu can see? Yes, Kavisha.
Ma'am, can I use? Ma'am, Gappu was seeing from the top. That's why.
Yes. If you keep a jug and if you keep a cheese on it, and the Chinky was looking from down, maybe Laisha is also correct that she is small, right? In the height, she is not much taller. But if she is taller, she can able to see that also. And if the person is sitting from the top and viewing from the top, can able to see that, right? If I...
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, please. Understood? Why, children? Understood why Gappu can see? Because Gappu is looking from the top. Just then a strong wind pushed the balloon out of the room. When I ran around in my house, it looked so big, but from here, it looks so small. Look small. How is it that the balloon flew up and Gappu started going up in the sky? As he looked down, he could see the house. Whenever we look from the top, when you go to Burj Khalifa, have you all visited to Burj Khalifa?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, visit.
And have you all visited to your terrace?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, mom. Many of you are saying visited to Burj Khalifa. But simple example, you all visited to terrace. If you look the same car from down, it look big. If the same car, if you look from the top, how it will look?
Ma'am, tiny ant.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, it looks like a tiny ant going by.
जितने भी ऊपर जाते जाओगे तो चीजें आपको नीचे की कैसे दिखती जाएंगी?
Small.
Very small. Yes. Same is happening with Gappu also. Gappu जैसे जैसे उसका बलून ऊपर जाता जा रहा था, नीचे की चीजें उसको बहुत छोटी दिखाई दे रही थी. As he went higher, he could see things around his house: the park, the gurdwara, the railway line, a sweet shop, and Suhasini's house with the big water tank on its roof. So as अब वो बाहर आ गया, so you can see Gappu was seeing the things from the top, so he could easily see the cheese capped on the top. This question we have already discussed. Running on the floor, so he could not see the cheese because she was running on the floor. Now go to the next page. Go to the next page. Imagine how your room looks from above. Try to draw it and mark the benches. How your classroom looks above, from the above. So you need to draw. Now, who is that on the railway track? See how it is looking from the top. If we see from the top, you can see here in the picture also.
Yes, ma'am. Everything is looking like very small.
Small, yes. Who is that on the railway track? Is that fat, that Monty? Ha ha ha. From there, object looks smaller from the distance, is bigger when we see from close. So Gappu saw everything bigger when he was running around the house, but everything looks small from the top. जब वो नीचे ही भागता था, नीचे ही चलता था, तो उसको सब चीजें बड़ी बड़ी दिखती थी. But now he is going up from with the balloon. So now he can see all the things looking small to him. Okay. Yes or no, students? So till here we have covered. Next pages we will cover in the next classes. Understood about the today's concept, children?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.